Hello, in this video we are going to show you how to save your Excel file as PDF. There are at least two main options how you can do that. You may have both of them or one of them depending on your version of Excel. So first of all, you have to go to File menu here, and the first option will be just to use Save a copy. You have to specify where you want to locate your file, and then you have to choose from the list of options Save as Type, and here you select PDF. So in this case, you can use this PDF option, click Save, and this file will be available for you in the form of a PDF file. So it's enough to click on it twice to open it as a PDF file. The second option is also very simple. Just go to File and choose Print. And for me, this is like a better way because you can see exactly what's in your file if you need to make any changes. And from the list of the printers, select Microsoft Print to PDF, usually it's available by default, and click Print. Once again, you have to choose the location, let's call it Coffee Sales 1, and click Save. And you can also open it and it's exactly the same as before. Thank you and see you in the future videos. If this video helped you to save some time, please support our team by buying us a coffee. Thank you!